Question number 47 on page number 6.64. Amit, Balan and Chandir were partners sharing in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. We need to make it common denominator, so that will come out to be 3:2:1. Chandir retired on 1st April 2014 and the balance sheet is given, and then it is written in the adjustment it was agreed that goodwill was to be valued at 27,000. Depreciation of 10% was to be provided on machinery, so machinery value is to be decreased, so I have written here in the debit side of revaluation account. Patents were to be reduced by 20%, so again for patents I have written 1000 in the debit side. An old photocopier previously written off was sold for rupees 600. We have increased asset, so that is written in the credit side of revaluation account as 600. Chandir took over the investment for rupees 15,800. अभी investment का value कितना है 10,000. In the balance sheet you can see 10,000 it is written, और उसको चंदेर कितने में ले लिया है 15,800, यानी 5,800 से फिर से investment increase हुआ. So I have written this side in the revaluation account credit side, and then the profit has been distributed in the old ratio Amit, Balan and Chandir 300, 200 and 100. Coming to the partners capital account, we will start with the balances given in the balance sheet. So Amit it is 40,000, Balan it is 36,500 and Chandir it is 20,000. So we started with the balance, then the profit on revaluation 300, 200 and 100. Now you can see in the liability side of the balance sheet 9,000 is the general reserve which I have distributed in the old ratio. Chandir took over the investment at 15,800, so that I have written in Chandir's column. Next one will be the treatment for retiring partners share of goodwill. Out of 27,000, Chandir's share of goodwill will be how much? That will be 1/6, so that comes out to be in gaining ratio as 2,700 for Amit, and for Balan it is 1,800, so it means 4,500 total will be the share of Chandir out of the total goodwill. So if I have written in this side Amit and Balan in Chandir's column, so that it will be written to Chandir's capital and it will be written in Amit's and Balan's column also. Then what it is written in the last adjustment, point number 6, Amit and Balan decided to adjust their capitals in proportion of their profit sharing ratio by opening current accounts. We do not have to adjust in cash but in current account. So what we are going to do is this one we will add up these two columns amount, and then these two will be deducted, and whatever the value will come that will be adjusted in the new ratio, that will be 3:2 since C retired. So new ratio between A and B will be what? 3:2. In that it will be adjusted, so that balance will be 48,000 and 32,000. So if this one is coming, now we can again total and get the difference. So this side we are getting in balance, so I have written two balance current 5,900, and here it is for Amit, so I have written in Amit's column 5,900, and the balance of the retiring partner after totaling and deducting 15,800, we get a difference of 10,300 which I have not written in the balance sheet. I have not written here. What is to be done? Retiring partners balance of capital either will be transferred to the loan account, or if instructed in the question to pay immediately, then it will be written to cash or to bank account. This is how you are going to prepare the partners capital account. Now coming to the balance sheet, this is well known to you that in the new balance sheet or the reconstituted firm balance sheet, we have to do what? We have to write the changed values. जितना भी value change हुआ है, जो भी changes आए हैं उसको हमको लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे तो daters में कोई change नहीं, so I have not written here. Stock was to be reduced by rupees. No, the stock was not to be reduced, so that is already written in the same value 25,000. Then patents were to be reduced by 1,000, so I have reduced it by 1,000. Machinery was also to be reduced by 4,800, so I have reduced out of the total value. Then Amit's current account was here, so it is written here 5,900, and this one creditors was to be not changed, so I have written as it is. Provident fund as it is, it is to be met up for the photocopier was sold for rupees 600, so that is being adjusted. And then balance capital 5,900 in the capital account we got, and the balances which we got I have written it here. So balance sheet total is 111,200, 111,200.